On today's agenda, pickled eggs. Oops, there's always one. And this is my pickling roux. I have white vinegar, no, I have ACV vinegar, salt, sugar, and pickling spice in here. Heating up slowly, doesn't have to go fast. And this is what I used, along with garlic and some other things you can add to it, whatever your liking is. Some people like jalapenos or what have you. This is what I'm doing. Okay, everybody, I've done the eggs, and of course I cracked 2 or 3 of them, but that's right, me and my daughter ate them. And here is I'm getting ready to put the syrup in. As you can see, there is, I don't know if you can see real close, there's jalapeno peppers and all that in there. So here we go. Put it on top of your eggs. You might have to do a little more adding because as you're pouring, yeah, there we go. There's some in there. There's some on top. Put a little bit more in there. See if I can do it by hand.
The literal juice.
Huh?
I said the literal juice.
Yeah, actually. Okay, that's one. Let me do this one. Look how my hands look from the eggs. Check this out. Look how my hands look from the eggs. I don't know if you guys can see this. Just from doing all that. Well, you know what that is, baking soda. Yeah, when I rinsed them. Hey, listen, guys, when you take your eggs off the stove and you put them in the water to cool them down, add some baking soda to them because they peel easier. But your hands will look crazy, though. All right. Ooh, that came up kind of high. Take some out. Oh, wow. Okay. I think I got it. Let's see. All right. I'm trying to get down to the bottom where all the goodie is, good stuff. Okay. Wow. All right. I'm sorry for sniffing, guys. We're both sniffing because it smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. It smells so good in here, that vinegar. Caused us to start
cleansing.
Yeah, the cleansing power of vinegar. All right, put this over here. All right, and there they are. Okay. So what do you think, folks? There are my pickled eggs. And listen, there's different ways you can do it. Let me put them kind of in the middle. They're way over there. Okay, there's different ways you can do it. I've seen people add different things into it's a roux. You know how you make a roux when you're cooking? You make it with the flour or what have you for your steaks or whatever it is you're making. It's kind of like that. You put it in a pot, add water with your vinegar. I used ACV vinegar. A lot of people use white vinegar, but you can also use ACV for the flavor. And just make your roux like I did here. Okay. Well, I call it a roux. Yeah, you know me with my words. What is it called? Syrup. What would you call it?
Solution.
Anyhow, make your there we go. Make your syrup or whatever you call it. Okay. In the pot first and add, different things that you like. Okay. And this is what I use, the pickling spice. Can you see that? Pickling spice. It has everything in it already. It has cinnamon, allspice, mustard. You guys can read it. Huh? What'd you say?
I didn't know to read it. I was trying to figure it out by looking at the thing.
Oh, you didn't know? Okay, let me see. Allspice, mustard seeds, cinnamon, coriander, bay leaves, ginger, chilies, cloves, black pepper, mace, cardamom, and sulfur to keep it from sticking. Amen. There's other things in it. So that pickling spice is the bomb. Okay, so this is my pickled eggs, and I am through. And what you do is you put the lids on and let them sit on your shelf for about 3 weeks or something so the flavor will go through. Now, all day today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lids on and shake it, turn it upside down or shake it a couple times during the day so all this can go through all the eggs, and then tomorrow I'll put them up on a shelf and keep them. All right. God bless. Thanks for watching.